In New York City, video isn't just content, it's currency. From broadcasters and brands to content creators, sports teams, and financial giants. NAB Show New York brings everyone together to explore trends, talent, and tech shaping the future of storytelling. So Telos Alliance, of course, world leaders when it comes to audio. And Costa, of course you're here at NAB in New York, and it's so busy this year.
It is, I've got to say, this is probably one of the busiest NAB New Yorks I've seen in a decade. The turnout's been fantastic, and we're really pleased.
So tell us then, what are you showcasing? What's new in your world?
The solutions that we have here are our VIP Infinity systems, which are used for intercoms. We have Audio Tool Server, which is a file-based audio processing solution, which this year we've actually put in some AI agents to make that media asset management workflow even more intelligent. We have the Younger Audio live streaming platform, Flex AI, as well as Aero Enterprise, which is also an audio streaming platform for television, but primarily used for upmixing, cross-mixing, loudness processing. And then we have our Altus product line, which is used for audio mixing. And the great part about all of these is that we've containerized them all. So they can run on your own little bespoke compute devices. We have a range of products that we call the Studio Essentials, which are small compute platforms, which you can run our software cores on. And then also, we have fully dedicated cloud solutions that can run on your own private cloud or in AWS, Google, or Microsoft Azure. So, we basically are providing solutions that are in the direction that our customers are going. So it's really a continuation of the digitization of content, so working with 2110, Dante, moving towards cloud-based solutions and incorporating AI into a lot of the workflows to be able to create more with kind of less time and less commercial resources.
And what do you think AI will bring to your offering, and has it taken a long time to get to where we are now?
Well, it has, because our tools, especially a product like Audio Tool Server, which is used in creating audio workflow. There's already a lot of decision that's made based on where am I delivering the content, what's the platform that that content is being listened to on, what type of content do I need multilingual, do I need to have metadata for next generation audio workflows, and it handles all of those decisions for the audio production facility or the content creators. So I see that there's just going to be a lot more kind of AI used on production decisions and QC and monitoring going forwards, and we've lined ourselves up nicely to have solutions that do that.
And are these ready for the market?
Well, they're always evolving, but things like dialogue intelligibility metering, we do that today. We can improve the quality of dialogue in content. If, let's say, our AI agent comes back with a low measurement, we can go back and put it through different levels of audio processing to either improve the audio that's there or even replace it using Gen AI and large language models.
And in terms of people coming past the stand, in terms of customers and people who will be using these products, what are they saying?
Well, it's actually really interesting because the tools that we bring to the table offer a lot of potential for different types of content to be processed, managed, delivered. Now, when you throw AI into the mix, then, okay, now your imagination is the limit, right? So it's very exciting. We're having discussions about being able to take, stereo content, creating next generation audio with fully immersive, detail and metadata that'll allow it to kind of go out for multilingual environments where the language object can be English, French, Mandarin, whatever. And now that just brings a whole dimension of viewer experience that content creators can deliver that it's just really exciting at this point.
And you feel excited about it. You don't feel frightened of it and what it'll mean for the future.
Frightened by it? Well, there's this dystopian potential of you have AI agents that are watching AI created content, and it's a full circle where human beings aren't involved anymore, and we're creating these false stats and marketing. But I'm not really worried about that happening anytime soon. I think the industry is kind of taking a certain level of maturity on board, even from things like music rights management or, content, any media essence right management now. There are a lot of tools that are coming out and investment by different firms to create these platforms. So I think it's actually going to be quite interesting. And for us, that we're involved in that little part of the packaging and creation side of content. There's so much potential, and it's so interesting, especially with next generation audio coming around. So we see some really interesting things that are about to happen. And if you look at some of the regulations that have just happened in California, there's a streaming calm loudness regulation that's just gone in place that kicks in for July 2026. So now all ads that are streamed to any endpoint in California have to be normalized. For us, that's great. That's our part of our core business for the audio processing tools that we do. So more and more of these types of movements towards creating better end customer experiences are happening around the world, and we're in a really good position to help that happen.
I'm sure you are. Costa, as always, great to talk to you here at InBroadcast, and good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you very much, Sarah, and great to see you again. Thank you.